Oh my word.
Video protected.
Look at that. Road sheriffs at it again.
Video protected.
Said it was a tipper.
Forward, up into opposition territory. Berardi for the right-hand side, corner of the penalty area, left-footed effort, takes a big deflection, looks up into the sky, and that will be easy for Shakir, the Turkey goalkeeper, to gather under no pressure whatsoever.
Well, you could feel that just give the crowd a lift. It's one of the first times that there's been a little bit of space in the middle of the pitch, and Barella was able to stride forward. He didn't really commit anyone, and when he played it to Berardi, all he was thinking was, I'm getting this on my left foot and I'm trying to curl it into the far corner, but he was closed down very, very quickly.
A few moments later.
Well, I think they'll cope fine.
Here we go. Nobody's getting out of the cars. We've been stopped, what, 5 minutes? No, one gets out, they all get out. There's another one at it down there. And another one. So what's getting out your car and having a leak going to accomplish? Carl, you're still not going anywhere. Get in your car and wait. Hi love, don't know what's going on. I'm stuck on the M6. It's stopped dead.
Again?
Yeah. I mean, the other day it was just the lanes went 3 into 1, but right now it's shut because there's nothing coming the other direction either.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just let you know. Well, I'll just be home when I get home.
No penalty against us, the referee. Insidious, twisting and turning, attack speed defence. Turkey with 7-8 players behind the ball, all in red. They're defending the edge of their own 18.
So we just walked across the M6.
Barella, 25 yards out, hammers it high over the top. And it
Video
careers
protected.
into that empty blue running track.
How stupid can you get?
The goal.
Nobody's moving. Just sit in your car. No, I'll go for a walk. I'll cross 3 lanes with the M6. Just go for a nosy and find out if I can see anything. Comes back, knows nothing extra. And what do you think you're going to achieve? Going for a walk. Why do people do that? No, he's not. He is.
Video protected.
He's going to reverse. Down the edge shoulder. W21FRC. W21FRC. Now he's done it, watch the sheep follow. There's another guy doing it. There you go, there's the sheep.
Video protected.
The blue people carrier's going to do it. Watch your fire. Oh. And there's a minibus behind it. I've seen this where a fire engine comes flying down at about 40 mile an hour, nearly at pedestrians as well. Oh, somebody's doing heel kicks on the M6 on the other side of the road. I know what they're going to do. They're going to ask everybody to move so they can reverse. He's doing it. There you go. Oh my word. Red BMW. Van.
Video protected.
Oh, it's Terry Tesla. He's got a Tesla. I won't if he could stay there for me. There you go. And this is why you shouldn't do it. Right, the motorway is back open now, because the cars are coming back down. So you need to get back in your car. So then, the Tesla, the BMW and the people carrier, and I think there's another 3 that didn't wait are probably going to be delayed longer than instead of waiting. All they've got to do, if there's been a crash, is drag the vehicles to the side of the road, clear the debris, brush it to the one side, and then people are on the way. Give them 15 minutes. That's all it's took, but no. The first one was the lorry driver and he started the bloody sheep following him.